Hello everyone, it's me Claire and I'm back for another iPad video. It's the new 12.9-inch iPad Pro which comes with the new M1 chip. Not only that, there's a new Liquid Retina XDR display which only comes in the 12-inch model. I'm trying to get it out of the box and it looks pretty big compared to my iPad Air. I'll do a comparison later between the two devices. So what's the most obvious way to recognize the iPad Pro 2021? Check out the huge camera module at the back of the iPad. It looks exactly like the ones from the iPhone 12. New to the 2021 model is a LiDAR scanner as well, and I'll try my best to see how it can actually work with Procreate. We'll have to wait for the 5.2 version update for that. The new feature allows users to do 3D modeling and use the LiDAR to create AR models within Procreate. Now that it's out of the box, let me get it on the Magic Keyboard. I've gotten the white one now, and it seems like it can get dirty really easily. Let's see how it holds up over time. Now, I've gotten the iPad Pro 2021 and iPad Air next to each other, and it's easy to tell the difference. The iPad Pro is really much bigger in size. I've got both on maximum brightness, and it's quite apparent how bright the new iPad is. I'm going to test it with a video on YouTube and see how it goes. Both of the video settings are now at 4K resolution, but it's going to be quite apparent that both panels are not equal. It is clear that the iPad Pro 2021 has the superior display in terms of blacks, and colors come out much more vibrant than they do on the iPad Air. It brings new meaning to the term high definition. At the start, the difference in color quality isn't that obvious with the fruits and pot. What really makes the quality display stand out were the textures of the bubbles and the high contrast between the highlights and shadows. The Liquid Retina XDR display of the iPad Pro 2021 quickly creates a sense of awe in the viewer as the video progresses. And that's it for now. I'll be back soon with a full video where I compare my thoughts between the iPad Pro 2021 and iPad Air drawing experience. If there's any feature you'd like me to check out for fellow creatives, let me know down below. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.